So I was looking at the paper, and for the UPSC co-optional, I was looking that it is having some questions mix and match, macro, micro, like this. So I thought of sharing some of the few of the questions and discussion. So let's start with few parts. First question, it states, mention the item of economic gain from India as conceived by Dadabhai Naoroji. Now what is this economic gain? So this type of question this time came for UPSC Eco Optional 2024. This is paper 2 which I am discussing. Paper 1 and paper 2 will consecutively do. Okay. So I will write the answer. Dadabhai Naoroji, he was an influential Indian nationalist and economist, articulated the concept of economic gain to describe how British colonial rule systematically extracted wealth from India. Basically, what is brain drain from India to Britain? It's a transfer. So in his landmark work, Poverty and Un-British Rule in India, Naoroji identified various elements of this strain, illustrating how British policy depleted India's resources. So what are the items? Export of surplus profit. What are the profits were there? Naoroji argued that the profits which was being generated and agricultural exports were transferred to Britain rather than reinvested in India, which is not good. Home charges were expenses the British government billed to India for administrative costs. Salaries and pensions for British official. A portion of India's tax revenue went for this. Military expenditure, obviously India bore a considerable portion of the cost for British military operations. There were trade imbalances. Naoroji observed that India exported raw material like cotton, tea and indigo. Profits of British company and investor. British company operating in India repatriate their profits back to Britain. Interest payment on public debt, unrequited exports, taxation policy, depreciation of Indian industry. So Naoroji's concept of economic drain outlined how British colonial rule systematically impoverished India by extracting wealth through a combination of exploitative policy, trade imbalances. So I hope you would like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe if you like the video. And it is a format you need to write like this for the answers who have taken the economics option.